Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you guys something pretty awesome. This is on the Rinkeby test network on MetaMask. So if we go ahead and we open our MetaMask wallet, and then we head over to Rinkeby test network, what we're going to do now is we're going to head over to Rinkeby authenticated faucet. And down below here, it's going to ask us to request funds via Twitter, make a tweet. So we're going to make a tweet with our wallet address. So I've gone ahead and I've done that. I've requested faucet funds into the Rinkeby on the Rinkeby Ethereum test network. So let's just go ahead. If I go over here to tweet, and as you can see, it's going to ask me for a wallet address. So let's remove the wallet address that's here. And we're going to go ahead and paste our own wallet address and go ahead and tweet it. Now that I've tweeted, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share this, copy the link to the tweet, head over to Rinkeby, authenticated faucet. I'm going to go ahead and paste this into the block and request 18.75 Ether. Green box should appear. If you go after the transaction is complete and you head over to MetaMask, I will show you that the transaction on my side has been completed. If we view this transaction on Ethereum scan, as you can see over there, 18.75 Ether received. And you can see it here as well. 18.75 Ether received. I've already transferred the Ether out to my other wallet, as you can see over here. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. This is only a test network for developers. So, yeah, I hope you guys have fun. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button below. It really helps. Appreciate you guys watching my channels. And yeah, see you guys in the next episode.